Hi, welcome to Hard Reset. In front of me Epson XP-8700, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the power off settings. So this setting will help you to set the timer to turn off the printer automatically after a certain period of inactivity. It will help you to save energy. So open settings, find your basic settings, scroll down, find your power off setting, and choose power off if inactive, and choose, for example, 30 minutes later, or for example 12 hours later. And you can enable feature, so power off if disconnected, so disconnected from Wi-Fi network, for example. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.